StarTech.com has a number of high-performance USB extender kits that support point-to-point extension over category cables, USB extension over IP, or USB over fiber. Extend USB 2.0 and 3.0 for long-range applications like accessing remote POS devices, CCTV systems, or printers. We offer single-port, dual-port, or even 4-port USB extenders. They have power and link or status LEDs to help monitor connectivity. Our industrial USB extenders offer a durable enclosure. Our USB extenders overcome USB cable length limitations, making them ideal for sensitive or high wear and tear environments like warehouses or other industrial settings. The transmitter connects to the receiver using a number of CAT cable types, offering greater flexibility using existing infrastructure Category 5E or 6 cabling. Our extenders are externally powered, with some models offering lockable barrel connectors, ensuring no accidental disconnections. They are plug-and-play, feature a driverless installation, and are compatible with all major operating systems. They also work with older USB specifications to ensure greater compatibility. StarTech.com also carries a USB extender over multimode 2LC fiber to extend your USB 3.0 5 gigabit per second ports up to 350 meters. Ideal for longer ranges, such as building-to-building access of high-speed devices like USB storage banks, displays, or HD cameras. We also carry a USB extender that works either with point-to-point CAT cable or over IP, which can pass through routers and networking equipment for greater flexibility of pre-existing landlines. As the IT professional's choice for over 35 years, StarTech.com has a 2-year warranty on our USB extenders and have free, lifetime technical support.